Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for you and it is from Feelunique. And this is their Feel Fabulous gift set. Inside contains 13 beauty products. It has a value of £165 and can be purchased for £45. Product description says, glow out with a bang this summer with this Feel Fabulous gift set containing everything you need to sparkle at any social event. Whether you're at a day festival, weekend brunching or at a countryside wedding, this set will have you shining from lash to tip. Think radiance-revealing serums, sweat-proof setting powders and makeup must-haves to turn heads and hearts. And then it goes through each product then telling you all about them. This box is kind of gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. They have sent me their other beauty box which is currently available, which is their Nurtured gift sets. So you'll be seeing that very soon after seeing this video. If you're interested in this box or any of the other boxes for yourself, then you'll find details down below in my description, as well as links to their monthly beauty box subscription, the pick and mix samples. They've always got discount codes on their website. They've kindly given me a code which is BeautyGeek FUS, which will entitle you to 20% off anything off the Feelunique website. There are some exclusions, but you're welcome to do that. Any promotions, freebies, anything like that I can find then you'll find it all listed down below. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. Before I show you what's inside, I just want to say that I have started my advent calendar. Oh my gosh, my advent calendar list. It's on Facebook. I know a lot of you aren't on Facebook, but it's the only place that I find it easier for me to do it. I need a blog. I've been wanting to do a blog for years and years and years, but it just overwhelms me a little bit. But I really need to do it because that would make it so much easier. I have created a pinned post on my Facebook page, same name, Diaryofabeautygeek, and I'll be posting advent calendar content on there. So waiting lists that are currently open, advent calendars that you're able to purchase, plus when advent calendars get reduced because some of them do go on sale. Sometimes before Christmas. So if you're interested in following along, I'll be adding more and more daily as the weeks go on, but you'll find links down below in my description. And I have a giveaway running on Instagram at the moment. It's going to be running for the next couple of weeks and it's to win one of 3 beauty boxes. I've got 2 glossy boxes and 1 Look Fantastic box. Again, you'll find it down below. So enough of my self-promotion. Let's get on to showing you what's inside this box. Now, I've just taken all the worms away. Give you a sneak peek. Starting off with something for your hair. This is Olaplex number 8 and this is a Bond Intense Moisture Mask for all hair types, and there's 30 mils here. I use number 3, 4 and 5 and sometimes the number 6, which is like a little styling cream afterwards, but I have got this as well, but I've only ever used it once and I did really like it. It is a really nice mask, so I need to do it more often to use it or else it's a waste otherwise, isn't it? Infused with patented Olaplex bond building technology, apply to clean damp hair mid-length to ends using sparingly on the roots. Work through with fingers, leave on for 10 minutes, rinse fully and style as usual. That's a really nice little travel size there. Next we've got a Laura Mercier setting powder. This is translucent loose setting powder and it's in honey. This is for warmer skin tones. Really nice size. How much we got here? 9.3 grams. I won't open it fully, but there you can see that it's not white, it's not colourless. I have used this as well when I have a fake tan. I wouldn't use it with like a sponge, but with a big fluffy brush, just lightly setting my face with it. Yeah, it is really nice. So yes. Next up, Aurelia Skincare. This is Resurfacing Serum, Clean Skin Treatment with 5% niacinamide, bakuchiol and prodida, and there's 15 mils there. Oh, I don't think I've ever tried any of the skincare other than cleansers from this brand. I don't think so anyway. Oh, the packaging is gorgeous. Look, very simple, very smart in a glass bottle there. I'm not going to open it up because I've got a few different serums on the go. It says apply 2 to 3 drops to cleanse skin in the morning and evening. Using firm patting and sweeping motions, follow with your favourite Aurelia moisturiser or facial oil for ultimate hydration. Yeah, so that'll go in my... I've got a little area, I've got a beauty room. It is a hallway. And we've made it into my sort of beauty room by putting loads of shelves in there basically. So I've got shelves of products that I have to use. I've got 2 shelves of products that I'm using, and the goal is to go through all those before I go through the other shelves, which have got products which I haven't touched yet, because me being me, very impulsive, very excitable, I just tend to grab, or I used to just grab anything and not give products a really good try. Or giving them a good try, but not consistently, if you know what I mean. Not like, or for a couple of weeks at a time, unless it's a specific product that I absolutely love. So I have filmed this, so you'll be able to see all the products, and I've got a ton of products that I need to use, which, yeah, so don't judge when you get to see it. But this will be going in my other side of products ready to use. Got a perfume. This is by Marc Jacobs, and this is perfect. 5 mils. Oh, I was hoping it's going to be a little cute bottle, and it is. It's gorgeous, isn't it? It's really cute. I can't remember what this smells like now. Not keen on Daisy, but I love Daisy Oh So Fresh. Oh, that is nice. Oh, and I love the original Marc Jacobs as well. Oh, that one's really nice. It's just perfect, is it? Just perfect, as it is. Perfect as it is. We got a blush by NARS, and this is in shade Orgasm. Gorgeous little mini. Woo! There. Can you see? Is it coming off my hands? I can see it on my finger. It's not showing up much on my hand. It's a like salmony pink blush. Maybe it's not showing up properly on my hand because I've got creams on there. You can sort of see on my finger there. Got mascara by Benefit. This is the Bad Girl Bang. This must be the blackest mascara ever created. My lashes are a nightmare, but they love this mascara. I've got really short, straight, thin lashes. It's rare that I find a nice mascara, but they are out there. But the Bad Girl Bang is really, really good. It really gets in there and lifts them up, and yeah, super black. Next, we've got a tattoo liner in Trooper Black by Kat Von D. There. I love these liners. Oh, I just love them. Super, super fine brush nib, so you can create a really cute little kitten wing, or you can intensify it. Hopefully I'll be able to do this now. I can't really see what I'm doing. Yeah, you can intensify it like that. Liquid eyeliner. Lord & Berry Timeless Kiss Proof Lipstick in shade Timeless. This gorgeous colour. Oh, I do really, really love that. It's not a sort of colour I'd wear day to day. Maybe with my hair off my face like it is now, and just a nice winged eyeliner. Very, very subtle eye makeup. Just a little bit of shading, not much at all, but with cat eye false lashes. And then the lipstick then in this colour, just nice and bright. Oh, yeah, I do love the shade. It is gorgeous. We've got Indeed. This is Hyaluron Plus Tinted Lip Treatment. This is Indeed Pink Rose. It's free from all the nasties. Hyaluronic acid, pomegranate sterols, featuring Volulip. Oh, let's get this out then. So I'd imagine it moisturises, protects, and yeah, gives you a little bit of a colour while it's doing it. Oh, that's a very similar colour to the Lord & Berry lipstick. Yeah, that's what it looks like there. Got a tinted lip treatment. We've got a 3-in-1. This works. In transit camera close-up. Be ready for that close-up in seconds with a mask, moisturiser and primer in one. And there's 10 mils here. Apply to clean skin and massage gently until absorbed. Skin will feel slightly dewy and perfectly prepped for makeup. I remember trying this a good couple of years ago when I first started YouTube and when I first started receiving beauty subscription boxes. I was thinking, how can it be a mask and a moisturiser and primer in one? Wow, it's amazing. But obviously we see them all the time now, don't we? I haven't used it in a long time, but I do remember trying it and liking it. Product by Glow Hub, Zit Zap Wand, 15 mils. Oh, it's got a rollerball there. This mess-free, super targeted zit stick has been made to give spots a stern talking to, leaving skin glowing and breakouts going, with papaya extract to help brighten, salicylic acid for targeted pore cleansing and exfoliating, and added tea tree oil to help control spot causing bacteria and improve appearance of breakouts. Simply glide on the rollerball directly onto clean dry skin where you notice a blemish. Oh, this has come at a perfect time for me. My daughter, who's 16, she's coming out with lots of tiny spots all over her face. We're looking into seeing what she's doing differently. So I've given her some products to help, but this would be perfect. Yeah, really, really great time in there. Iconic London. This is an illuminator and there's 2.8 mils there. Gorgeous little bottle. It's small, it's gorgeous. There. There. Colour funnel hand there. It's got a illuminator. Then lastly, we've got a set of brushes from Brushworks. It's a brow set, so it contains, let's get them out and show you. I am in need of new tweezers. They're just really blunt with me. So, and a flat edge one and a pointy edge one. Then you've got a brush to create hair strokes or edging on your eyebrows. Then you've got another brush here, which is really good for carving out eyebrows with concealer or a eye primer. And then lastly, we've got a brush to brush through your eyebrows and set them in place. Yeah, a really nice set there from Brushworks. So those are all the products inside the fabulous gift set. 13 products in total, has a value of £165 and can be bought for £45. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? What do you think of the products and the price and everything? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.